Da, 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 da. Ah, fuck!
We gotta stay. We gotta stay. I got broads in Atlanta. She's the lean, the family.
All right, yeah. Oh, doesn't this look like a fun game? If for some reason you don't survive, your wagon burns or thieves steal your oxen, or you run out of provisions, or die of cholera, don't give up. Try again and again until your name is up with the others on the Oregon Top 10. Yeah, that sounds like a fun game. Yeah, we used to have to do this. Come on! You may travel. It doesn't fucking matter. Travel the trail. Really, I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna be fucking dead. Is that an option? Is that option 5? No? Okay, we'll do 1. I'll be a fucking banker from Boston. Fucking banker from Boston. Come on. What is the leader's first name? Dead Meat. That's the leader's. Yeah, that's his name. Dave. Davey. Davey fucking Crockett. Fucking keyboard doesn't fucking work. Fucking yellow apple. Jesus Christ. Come on, Dave. Like it matters. Going back to 1848 to fucking die of dysentery. What difference does it make? Ask for advice. Ask for advice. Yes, I advise you not to play this fucking game. April. Does April sound good? Hello? God, that's what I need, is an unresponsive keyboard and mouse when I'm playing this fucking game. 1,600 in cash. Oh, I don't have to spend it all now. Oh, I don't have to. But I'm betting I fucking will. I need my fucking head examined. Matthew, can you help me with that? Yeah, plenty of food. That's nice. That helps. See, you got all this shit to buy, and they give you 1,600 in cash, which sounds like a lot, but it's really not, because you're going to burn through all your fucking money here in a fucking second. How many yoke do you want? I recommend at least 3 yoke. I recommend you go fuck yourself. Where the fuck is Chad? Why am I sitting here playing this fucking game? Bullshit. 1, I don't know. I never know what to get. You know, this asshole says to get 3, so what do? I get fucking 3, maybe 4. 9. How's that? Fucking 9. 9 fucking yoke. All right, food. Because that's fucking important when you have fucking dysentery. 20 cents a pound. On second thought, I want to go to Match General Store where I get fucking a pound of food for 20 cents a pound. Can't even fucking think straight. Playing this goddamn game in Match General fucking Store. Oh my God, move this shit along. God. Total bill. I don't know. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. I spent under $1,600. Like, I'm going to spend any money on the fucking Oregon Trail when I'm fucking underwater trying to cross a goddamn lake with 9 fucking yoke. Load up the wagon. Prepare to die. Jesus, come on. Oh, April 1st, 1848. R.I.P. Dave. Anybody that fucking hopped on the wagon with you, other than the 9 fucking yoke I just bought. All right, yeah, take a good look. Take a good look at this. Health good. Take a look. Because that's the last time you're going to fucking see it. What is my choice? Turn back. That's my choice. Oh my God. Where the fuck? Why am I here playing this goddamn game by myself? I think this is a government. I think this whole goddamn show is a government experiment just to fuck with me. Nine fucking yoke. Or is it yak? I feel like yakking. Is it a bull? Bunch of bullshit. Look at that, my health. It's very poor already. How does that happen? Look at fucking shit. I just fucking lost one. Look at inadequate grass. Like every step I fucking take. Look, a severe blizzard. I just lost the day. Every step I fucking take. Good. Bad water. Bad water. Bad fucking game. I lost another day. Is that another day or is that the same fucking day? Very little water. Very little bad water is left. Sure. Why not? Let's look around. Oh, yeah. In November. I'm surprised I made it that fucking long. Oh, Jesus. Very snowy. Health very poor. What a fun game, huh, kids? Return to size up the situation. Well, the situation is, it's a severe fucking blizzard, and I just lost another fucking day. Snowbound. Lose one day. Oh, my fucking God. Very poor. Look at the food. Look at the food I got left. They're fucking eating everything. And the fuck... Oh, poor. I moved from very poor to poor. How many fucking yik-yak bulls do I have left? I don't even know. I'm trapped in this fucking blizzard. I have inadequate grass, bad water. 8 days. How does that happen? One day, and then it goes up to 8 days. Holy fucking goddamn shit. I'm out of food. I'm out of fucking food. Oh, let's look at the map. Yeah, you are here. Oh, fuck this game. Map of the Oregon Trail. Fuck you. Hunt for food. Let's do that. Let's prolong everybody's fucking agony. Oh my fucking God, I guess I killed the fucking shit. Goddamn. Boom, 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 boom. From the 225. However, you were only able to carry 100 pounds. Jesus God. This game just fucks you over at every turn, at every step. Look, very little water. It's not 10 days, 10 fucking days. Merry Christmas, right? I'm still at poor health. Holy fuck. Oh, God, here we go. Happy New Year. Inadequate grass. Very little water. Jesus, God. Oh, my God, now my wagon just fell apart. It just fucking fell apart. I died fixing the wagon. So, yeah, I'm going to write something on my own fucking epitaph. Just give me a second. Oh, you fucking game. Fuck this game. I always hated this game. I fucking hate it with a fucking passion. It's such bullshit. There you go. That spells it out, doesn't it? Doesn't it? Oh my God. Make any changes. Yeah, I would like to go back in time before I played this fucking game. No. Ah!